Sometimes it's the simple things like loading up the van and heading out for a bowl of soup. No big plans, no fancy moments, just us. A little peace, not much when you have four kids, but some good food to fill our bellies. This is what memories are made of. Laughter, joy, maybe getting a little soup sauce in your eyes and your soup was spicy and it burned your eyes. But just memories and joy and laughter is what it's all about. So we live to take care of our family, love each other, and honor each other, and try to be the best parents we can be.